Welcome students, good morning to your new class of English, and I hope all of you have given your assessments very nicely and it was very appropriate, right? And so organized, which was definitely organized by Burdwan Model School in such a nice manner. So today already we have started with our term 1. We have completed up to chapter number 20 and we are going towards our PT2, right? So we will continue with the things which we are learning before Durga Puja. I hope we will be completing up to chapter 30 also, and obviously you will follow for your term 1 up to chapter number 20, whatever PT1 and term 1. So before I start, I will request all of my students to note down your syllabus for PT1 and term 1. So term 1 actually includes PT1, okay? Term 1 includes PT1. So now your syllabus will be from page number 5, English. It will be page number 5 to page number 28 just now. If it enhances somewhere, then I will inform you, okay? So page number 28, okay? So you will first complete this portion. If something has to be added, I will inform you, okay? Okay, so today you can see on the board I have given one picture to all of you. All of you have noted down. Am I audible and visible properly to all of you? If I am audible and visible properly to all of you, please write down yes. Please write down yes if I am audible and visible to all my students. Okay, Shubham Ghosh is, no, it's not here. Okay, Rudra Aditya is telling yes, Shrestha is telling yes. Yes, okay, then let's start. If two of the students can hear me properly, that means each and everyone is able to listen me. Now, here we can see one picture, and today's topic is make sentence. So here I will show you the picture properly in front of the camera so that you can see it very nicely. Okay students, this is the picture. Okay, I hope all of you can see very clearly. So just notice what you can see in the picture. Then after I will tell you what has to be done. Okay, so now the picture goes on the board. Yes. So now the first one, that is, here we can see one picture. All of you, I showed you very clearly the picture. Now you tell me what you see in this picture. What are the things you can see in this picture? Words. First you will tell me words. Which are the things you can see in this picture? Each student will give one word. One answer by each student. I want answers from each and every student. So Rudra Aditya has given me the word ball. So I am noting down over here the first word ball. Next, Srijan is telling two kids are playing. Srijan, I told you to give one word. One word. So Ashmita, Gronthona, what is this P beta? Ashmita has given a girl. Okay, Gronthona has given play. Simran has given children. Simran. Okay, Simran, are you a new student beta? May I know? Are you a new student? Simran? Are you a new student? Will you please respond my question? I'm not getting any response from Simran. Okay, so next comes Anurag. He has given the word boy, and Shyama Prabhu has given, okay, yes, very good, Shyama Prabhu. Now let's see the picture and give me one word which you can find in the picture. So let me write down. First word was boy, second word is girl, third is boy, fourth, some of the kids have given me the word children, that means more than one child. So it comes children. Next, anyone? Okay, nothing else you can see. Okay, you can see a play. One word play has been given to us. It is an action word. Okay, Anurag has given flower. So let us write down flower. Flower. Anything more? Okay, so Shyama Prabhu has given the word park. Okay, Shrestha is telling it's a field. So let's write down number 6, park, and number 7, that is field. That is field. Okay, so Srijan, I hope your problem has been solved. Srijan, your problem has been solved. Tathagata has given the word. Okay. Now let's concentrate on our studies. So Tathagata has given the word girl. So from this picture we found out 7 words what you have noticed, not me. What you have noticed, that is these 7 words. That is ball. We can see one ball in the picture. We can see one girl in the picture. We can see one boy in the picture. We can see girl and boy together makes children. So we can also say children are there in the picture. Flower. Yes, we can see flower in the picture. Then after park. Okay, there is a visualization of park. Maybe it is a park or a field. Now here we got some words. With the help of these words, now we will make at least 3 sentences. Okay, so how we will make 3 sentences? So keep it in your mind that we have to use these words to make 3 sentences. Only 3 sentences. So let's start. And Shamantak is requesting off your cameras, please. So I would also request all my students to please put off your cameras. Turn off your cameras, students, so that all can do their classes very nicely. Those who have put on their cameras, please turn off your cameras. Okay, so let us make now 3 sentences with these words. So the first sentence, what we will make? Ball. I like to play with ball. Yes, Shyama Prabhu, very good. But we will make sentence with these words related to this picture. Okay, we will make sentence with these words related to this picture. So can I get the first sentence which is related to this picture using those words? Yes. So the first one, the children are playing in the park. This is the first sentence where we have used the word park or field. You can even write field also. Okay, park or field. Definitely we cannot tell it is a park or a field. So we can give the option that children are playing a ball, or the children are playing with a ball in the park. Children are playing a ball in the field. Okay. So let's write down the first sentence given by Shyama Prabhu. We also used the word ball over here. We use the word park or field, okay? Because some of the students also told the word field, and as it is not definitely told, so we can consider it as field or park, okay? One open garden space. So now students, just go through this one. The children are playing with a ball in the park or field. Here I used the word children, which you gave me. Are. Why I used are? Because children more than one. It's a plural word. That means if it was the girl or the boy, then I would have used is. But here I have used are because it is more than one. The children are playing. Playing is an action word. So they are playing with what? With a ball. And where? With a ball. That means ball was also given to me. The word which you found in the picture. Along with that, in the park. So where you found the children? In the park or in the field. So second sentence is ready. That is, Shyama Prabhu has given, there are flowers in the field where the children are playing. Very nice. We will take little bit simple sentences, and Ashmita is telling there is a flower in the field. But Ashmita, we can see 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 flowers. How many flowers are there? 3, right? So we are going to write there, right? Because it is not in front of us, it is not near to us. So here THERE there means place, and THEIR there means possessive. There, udir. Okay. So there, as it is more than 1, 1, 2, 3, 3 flowers. So we are going to use are. There are flowers in the, here again, in the field, in the garden. So already we have used, learned the usage of in and on. So in the, why I have used the? Because we are talking about particular things, like we are talking about particularly this park or field. We are talking about the children. We are talking about particularly these children. So when we are talking about any particular thing, we use the, right? So there are flowers in the park or field. Okay? Yes. So here we covered all the words: children, play, ball, park, field, flowers, right? We covered all the words within 2 sentences. But I told it should be 3. So what will be the last sentence? Already Granthana has told they are playing. So beta, already I have given the children are playing. So the third sentence which we will write, the children are looking, they are looking what? You can read their expressions. Expression reading is also a talent. Okay, so we have to make the skill of reading expressions. So can you read the expression? Yes, they are happy. Very good. Yes, I got the answer from Shrijan. They are happy. So let us write down the third sentence. The children are happy. Right? While playing, they are looking happy. So, students, here we took up a picture. We did the picture reading. We found out, actually we collected some words from that picture, and then after we made a sentence, right? We made 3 sentences out of this picture. So what I told, from starting to the end of this PT1 and term 1, I taught you 3 things. That first we learn alphabets, group of alphabets make words, group of words make, yes, sentences. So first we learned already alphabets, then after we collected words, with the help of those words we constructed sentences. In this way you will do practice at home. You can collect any type of picture and try to make simple sentence. Okay, this is a boy, that is a pot, this is a girl, those are flowers. Whatever you see in your environment, you just try to make simple sentences from that. This will enhance your speaking skill. This will make you fluent in English language when you are speaking. Okay, so today you will open your page number 33. Your page number 33, that is 25, chapter number 25, good morning. And here whatever I taught you on the board as an example, here the same thing has been given to you. That is, some pictures have been provided to you and you have to read the picture and write the sentences. But here you will read the picture, you will see the picture, and you will try to read the sentences on your home, on your own at your home. This will be homework for you. Okay, so let us start. Once I will read for you. So look at the picture and read it. So here we can see one boy is there and he is brushing his teeth, right? So I wake up in the morning and brush my teeth. I wake up in the morning and brush my teeth. Next comes, I have a bath and put on my uniform. So here you can see in the picture that the boy is enjoying his bath, and then after he is getting ready in his uniform to go to school. So again we will read, I have a bath and put on my uniform. Next picture, we can see a lady is cooking in the kitchen. So mother is cooking the breakfast. So this lady is the mother of this boy and she is cooking breakfast. Next we can see the boy is sitting on a table and he is having his breakfast. So let us read it. I eat my breakfast. I eat my breakfast. And the last picture, where the boy is leaving for school and his mother is, yes, came out to the door to give him a see off. So I take my school bag and go to school. I take my school bag and go to school. Okay, very nice. So your homework is you will open this page and you will read on your own in front of your parents. So today I conclude my class over here. And all of you, I hope you have given your exams very nicely, your assessments very nicely, right? So did you face any problem while giving your assessments? Because I was online at that time, but I didn't find any of my students complaining regarding this. So I was very sure that all my students have given it very nicely, right? Okay, your attendance has been taken. So all of you, please just 2 minutes. Okay, so let us see if there was any problem regarding English and science paper or Hindi. Any of you? Do you have any queries regarding any of the question asked in the question paper? So I can solve it now if you want. Chat box. Okay, very nice. So that was no problem at all. Exactly. So school has organized in such a nice manner that it was absolutely sure, I was absolutely sure that you will not have any problem this time. Very good. Okay, students, so I will be back again with your science class. Till that time, take a break. Okay.